When it comes to enhancing your Mandeville home's exterior, a door installation is more than just a functional necessity. It's an opportunity to improve your home's appearance, security, and energy efficiency. One often overlooked addition that can significantly benefit your home is a storm door. Storm doors, which are installed in front of your primary exterior door, provide an extra layer of protection against the elements while offering a variety of other benefits. In Mandeville, where severe weather, including storms and hurricanes, can be a real concern, storm doors are a smart and practical investment. Here's why you should consider adding a storm door during your door installation process. Protection from harsh weather. Mandeville experiences its fair share of weather challenges, from heavy rainfall to high winds, particularly during hurricane season. Storm doors provide an extra barrier to protect your home's primary entry door from damage caused by wind, rain, and debris. While your main door is designed to withstand everyday elements, a storm door acts as a shield against more extreme weather conditions. The added layer of protection helps prevent the elements from damaging your primary door, which could lead to costly repairs or replacements. Storm doors are built to withstand high winds and resist impact from flying debris, making them a crucial addition to homes in hurricane-prone areas like Mandeville. Enhanced energy efficiency. Another compelling reason to consider a storm door during your door installation is the potential energy savings. Storm doors can improve the insulation of your home by reducing drafts and air leaks around the edges of your primary entry door. By creating a tight seal between the storm door and your main door, the storm door acts as a buffer that helps regulate indoor temperatures. In Mandeville, where temperatures can vary from hot summers to cool winters, storm doors help maintain a more consistent indoor climate. During the summer, they prevent cool air from escaping, while in winter, they help keep warm air inside. As a result, you'll rely less on your HVAC system, which can lead to lower energy bills over time. With rising energy costs, the added insulation provided by a storm door is an investment that pays for itself. Improved security and safety. Storm doors are not only useful for protecting your home from the elements but also for enhancing its security. Most storm doors come with strong frames, reinforced locks, and sturdy materials like steel or aluminum, making them more difficult to break through than standard exterior doors. This added layer of security is especially valuable in Mandeville, where safety is a priority for homeowners. A storm door makes it harder for intruders to access your home, providing an extra deterrent. Additionally, storm doors can be equipped with high-quality locking mechanisms, offering you peace of mind knowing that both your main door and the storm door are secure. This additional level of security can help keep your home and family safe. Increased curb appeal. A storm door can enhance the visual appeal of your home by complementing your main door and improving the overall look of your entryway. With a variety of styles, colors, and materials available, storm doors can be customized to match your home's aesthetic, whether you prefer a traditional, modern, or decorative style. For example, you can choose storm doors with glass panels to showcase the beauty of your main door, or opt for a more solid, privacy-focused design if you want additional coverage. With decorative features like grids or custom hardware, a storm door can make a bold statement, boosting your home's curb appeal and increasing its value. It's a simple and cost-effective way to refresh your home's exterior. Ventilation and natural light. Storm doors also offer the benefit of increased ventilation and natural light, making them a practical choice for the warmer months. Many storm doors are equipped with retractable screens or removable glass panels, allowing you to open the door and let fresh air circulate throughout your home without compromising security or protection. If you enjoy having your front door open on pleasant days, a storm door allows you to do so safely while keeping insects and debris out. The glass panels can also let in natural light, brightening up your entryway and giving your home a welcoming feel. Low maintenance and durability. Storm doors are built to last, requiring minimal maintenance. With options made from durable materials like steel, fiberglass, or aluminum, storm doors can withstand the elements year after year without warping, rusting, or rotting. These materials are also resistant to fading, ensuring your door continues to look great long after installation. Unlike traditional wooden doors, which may require regular painting and sealing, storm doors need very little upkeep. A quick cleaning of the glass and frame is usually enough to keep them in good condition. The low-maintenance nature of storm doors makes them a hassle-free addition to your home, saving you time and effort on repairs and maintenance. Increased home value. Installing a storm door can increase your home's value, particularly if you live in an area like Mandeville where weather conditions play a significant role in a property's appeal. Homebuyers appreciate the added benefits of storm doors, including increased protection, improved energy efficiency, and enhanced security. Having a well-maintained storm door can be a selling point for potential buyers, giving your home an edge in a competitive market. Moreover, the curb appeal and aesthetic enhancement provided by a stylish storm door can make a positive first impression, potentially increasing the desirability of your home and boosting its resale value. Conclusion. Investing in a storm door during your door installation in Mandeville is a smart choice that offers a wide range of benefits. From protecting your home from harsh weather and improving energy efficiency to enhancing security and boosting curb appeal, storm doors are a practical and cost-effective addition to any home. Whether you're looking to improve the functionality of your front entryway or add a touch of elegance to your exterior, storm doors provide the perfect balance of form and function. Consider working with a professional door installation company to choose the best storm door for your home's needs. With the right storm door, you'll enjoy greater comfort, security, and long-term value for years to come.